explained. So we'll just talk to you, show you that. If you can take that film.
It's the second topic,
No, actually we have prepared. I have prepared for that only. See, before we start, I will give you a brief. Here, this is a movie clip of a movie. How many of you have seen Om Shanti Om? Om Shanti Om. How many people have seen? You have seen. You? Rest of the people have not seen. You have seen. See, what happens here is this. I will just give you a brief about it because you will know what is going on. So here, this particular character Shah Rukh Khan, which he is playing, he is an extra in movies. He is nobody actually. He doesn't have anything. He is working as a small extra, small timer. But he has a capacity of creatively visualizing positive things for him. So here, when he is nobody, he is visualizing that someday I will be this, someday I will have so many cars, someday I will have so many servants, someday I will have this, that. When he is nobody, that is the beauty of this. When you don't have anything, you don't tend to, like Dhirubhai Ambani used to say, these dreams, we should have eyes to see the dreams. You should have heart to see the dreams. Because people, when they see I got only 5 rupees in the pocket, they will not think of 5 crores. So here he doesn't have anything and he's thinking very big. And what happens is there are so many things in our life, in this world, which are beyond our comprehension. Like what happens in the child is there. I don't know what happens for those 9 months. Our medical science has gone up, but nobody could create a child outside the woman's body. It has to be done inside. Likewise, there are so many things which are beyond our comprehension. So here, this man completely thinks this is what I will have, this is where I will reach, and he creatively imagines positively, and accidentally he dies in between. There's some accident which happens, and he dies. Now he has thought about this is what he's going to do and get, but he dies. So the universe gives it all to him. Again, what happens is his soul is transferred to the child which has just born, while he just dies here and goes there. And he enjoys all those things which he thought he will. So since he creatively imagined all those things, he gets all those things. So likewise in corporate life, whenever we are going, there will be a lot of challenges in corporate world also. So one has to creatively imagine positive results for himself. So if I'm given a project, so I have to creatively imagine the positive outcome of that project. That is what I mean by showing you this slide. So we'll have a look at this. No problem.
रमेश बाबू ईश्वर का आशीर्वाद होता है एक चुटकी सिंदूर वाह हर सुहागन के सर का ताज होता है एक चुटकी सिंदूर वाह हर औरत का ख्वाब होता है एक चुटकी क्या बात एक बार ना बकू इस बार ना फिल्म वाला अवार्ड मेरी भाभी को एक मिलेगा अरे भाभी को मिलेगा अवार्ड वाला बिगड़ते नहीं अभी तेरे को अवार्ड देना है बच्चे अरे एक मैं स्टार बनूंगा मुझे अवार्ड मिलेगा ना यार क्या तो मैं स्टार बन जाऊंगा ना तो मैं ये बंगला मैं खरीद लूंगा क्या खरीद ले खरीद ले अभी तो यहाँ पे वो अपने राजेश कपूर का है लेकिन एक दिन ये बंगला गया चलो क्या है राजेश कपूर एकदम भिखारियों की तरह मैं एकदम स्टाइल में स्टाइल 15-16 इम्पोर्टेड गाड़ियाँ होंगी स्टाइल 50-60 नौका चादर होंगे स्टाइल और ये कपड़ा के सेट की तरह शानदार बेडरूम होगा गोल पेट जैसा स्टाइल अब पता सुबह जब मैं उठूंगा ना तो संगे भर के फर्श के ऊपर अपना पैर रखने से पहले इतना सा बकबा की चप्पल लाकर मेरे पैरों में डाल और दूसरा क्या करेगा वो अपना राजकुमार वाला सिल्क का गाउन पहनाएगा तीसरा वाला साइड में जूस देने के लिए खड़ा होगा क्या हो रहा है तो तूने तो आंख में आंसू ला दे रहे तो बाद में मिलेगा दोस्त पहले ये ले ये मेरी तरफ से बाकी अरे फोटो के लिए स्पीच भी लिखा लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन इतनी शिद्दत से मैंने तुम्हें पाने की कोशिश की है कि हर जर्रे ने मुझे तुमसे मिलाने की साजिश की। कौन बोला? ये उम्मीद यार मैं उम्मीद कुछ समझ में नहीं आया। ओहो अच्छा सिंपल करूं। टेक 2। लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, कहते हैं अगर किसी चीज को दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है। आप सब ने मुझे मेरी चाहत से मिला दिया। थैंक्स वेरी मच। I feel like the king of the world. आज इस बात का भी यकीन हो गया कि हमारी फिल्मों की तरह हमारी जिंदगी में भी एंड तक सब कुछ ठीक ही हो जाता है। हैप्पीज एंडिंग। और अगर ठीक ना हो तो वो दी एंड नहीं। पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे को, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है।
Now that accident which I was talking about happens and he is about to die. That scene will be shown. You can see, or I will take it on. You are able to see? चालू हुआ है क्या? हाँ, इट इज देयर। Actually here he dies, but he whatever he has imagined has to come through. So the child is born with his soul.
मुबारक हो मिस्टर कपूर, आपको बेटा हुआ है।
It will automatically go, no? No? Nine. Now whatever he had spoken, like I will have a big bed, बड़ा बेड होगा, जूस का ग्लास, everything happens.
आज सुपरस्टार राजेश कपूर के बेटे सुपरस्टार ओम कपूर का जन्मदिन है और उनके सारे फैंस उन्हें विश करने आए हैं।
यश चोपड़ा के सेट की तरह शानदार बेडरूम होगा, गोल बेड के साथ। और जब मैं सुबह उठूंगा तो मेरे कदम संगे मरमर के फर्श पर पड़ने से पहले एक नौकर मखमल की चप्पल लाकर मेरे पैरों में डाल देगा। राजकुमार वाला सिलक का गाउन पहन जब मैं बाहर निकलूंगा तो दूसरा नौकर जूस का ग्लास लेकर खड़ा होगा।
So that is how this particular thing was explained. Is it okay? Like any thoughts? If you can say something, you. नहीं मतलब कैसा लगा आपको? That creative visualization का जो concept है, is it coming out?
Not to a larger extent, because there is something you can be destiny also.
Yes, absolutely. That is also there.
So we make a rosy picture, but don't expect the rosy picture to be turned out to all the time.
Right. That is there.
What the
theory behind it. They say, like if we are read in the book Secret also, the body visualize comes through. What is the theory of visualization?
See what basically it is said that our mind is made up of things, conscious mind, and conscious mind is only 10%, and subconscious mind is 90%. So, and subconscious mind only understands image and emotions. It doesn't understand logic. So the miracles is what? If somebody, people say, "Na, you will miracles happen to them who believe in them." I believe that this miracle will happen because that image has gone into my mind, and subconscious mind has helped me achieve that. Yeah, subconscious mind will start because it is 90%. Generally, it is like what happens is God has given us conscious and subconscious mind both, and conscious mind is 10% and this is 90%. So when we go back, we give that 90, like God has given us 100 rupees. We go back and give 90 rupees back to him that I have not used it. Sometimes we use this subconscious mind against us. Like suppose somebody says I will come at 5 o'clock and he is not there, so we start thinking negative. He must have met with accident or whatever. So that is how you are using subconscious mind against you. But if somebody can use subconscious mind for him, like this is what it is said, though his mind he keeps on feeding his mind with positive images, that I will have such a big bed, I will have somebody who is holding a glass of juice, जब मैं उठूंगा कोई पैरों में चप्पल डालेगा, गाउन होगा and all that. So he keeps on when he is nobody. So he is feeding his subconscious mind with positive thoughts which actually come up, and the destiny has to give it to him, but he dies in between. So he has to take one more birth. Yeah, please.
See, if you have read this book of Secret, okay, now if you visualize things at a quantum level, what quantum scientists are saying that everything in this universe is made up of energy. See, for example, if you take this chair, if you look under a microscope, इसको आप नीचे जाओगे, there will be a atom. Or atom, if some people are from science background, you know, atom is made up of nucleus and electrons. If you keep on breaking it, the smallest particle is nothing but a wave. And I am made up of energy, he is made up of energy, lights are made up of energy. So when you start thinking, what he is saying that when you start thinking of a particular object, you are automatically attracting that thing in your life for a longer period of time.
Yeah, because that particular thing which you want, as he rightly said, that is energy, this is energy. So if my thought process is for that particular object, that object will have one particular, say, frequency, and my thought process are on one frequency, those frequencies will match and that will come to me.
In other words, one energy is affecting.
Yeah, the similar energies go together, and subconscious mind doesn't have logic. It will just, suppose if you like, if I say something, think something bad about somebody else also,